At Air Reserve Base in Florida, Brandon, Kate, and Beckett watch Morales arrive in a federal helicopter. Then they get together with Miller to make a plan of defense against El Diablo, because they're sure he'll try to attack while Morales is being transported to Miami. Miller also informs them that the type of bullets that El Diablo is using have been disappearing from the DEA's own vault, which means his mole wasn't in the Colombian police but here with them. When Samson arrives to help with the transportation, Brandon explains the plan to him. Their agents will guide a convoy that protects a car with a fake Morales wearing a hood over his head to bait El Diablo into revealing his location, but the real Morales will be traveling in a separate van that will look like it belongs to a laundry service. While Kate, Brandon, Miller, and Samson find a place on a roof to be ready for El Diablo, the convoy leaves the air base and hits the road, where a group of criminals is already waiting. Surprisingly, the convoy isn't attacked. The thugs only start moving in their cars when the van shows up, as if they had known about the trick all along. They were probably sent by the mole to protect his identity from Morales' confession. El Diablo also waits for the van to show up, and after he shoots it to make it stop, the thugs leave their cars and open firing on the vehicle. Miller expertly kills all these guys, and seeing they weren't able to do much, El Diablo shoots again to make sure the van passengers are dead. The van explodes and now Brandon has El Diablo's location. It only takes him a few seconds to aim and finally kill him for good. The convoy continues to make its way toward Miami, where it's revealed that the man under the hood was Morales after all and the van had been the real decoy. In fact, the van had been completely empty and the team moved it with a remote control. Kate, Miller, and Brandon turn on Samson to arrest him because it turns out he's been the guy passing information to Morales and El Diablo all this time. Samson tried to deny it, but Miller's IT team had already hacked his phone. Now they just needed to catch him red-handed because the text messages had fake names on them and proved nothing. This makes Samson finally admit he did it and confess he worked for Morales because he had thought the Kingpin would be their best option to prevent an atomic bomb. Kate can't believe so many people died for this and punches Samson in the name of Garza and Carlos. After arresting Samson, Miller returns to Washington. Beckett has had enough action to last him a lifetime and